Hey guys, let's talk about the SD card for the Tapo C425. So you can insert the card, format it, and start using it, right? So where's the location? Where's the slot to insert the SD card? It's pretty simple, you just need to grab your camera. And here you see this rubber flap just right here. See, there's information about the microSD card, and there's also a reset button under this flap. So you just need to open it. And here just need to grab a good SD card like this one. It's from Lexar with 32 gigabytes. You can use from 8 to 512 gigabytes and fast card like class 10. You see here on the left side the information for the class 10 SD card. And I'm gonna leave this card here in the description, the link to this card in the description, okay? But to insert it here, you just need to face that way, pointing here this face to the lens, right? Just insert here like so, and you push with your fingernails. Then you just close here, this rubber flap, and you just turn on the camera. To turn on the camera, just need to press and hold the button here for 5 seconds, and the camera is going to turn on, and then you're gonna be ready for the setup. So I'm just pressing here, waiting for 5 seconds. The camera on. The camera says that's on. And you can just format the SD card and start recording, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can insert an SD card on this Tapo C425. I hope that helps. Leave your link here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.